This video is of my top 8 items that I travel with every time I travel, meaning it's in my bag right now. Check it out. So this is my first one. This brand is Eagle Creek. This has to do with folding your clothes to make them fit and organized. So you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, pulled out one for tomorrow, and I'm wearing one right now. But what you do is you take your shirt. What this allows you to do is just to take any shirt, a regular shirt, and fold it like they do in the store. I hope my lighting is okay. It gives you instructions on here how to fold it back. I think I have the medium size. There is a small, medium, and a large. This way, you don't really have to iron, and depending upon the material and the clothing that you use, you don't really have to iron. So, pull it up, pull this little piece out, then you pull the board out, and look what you have. Perfectly folded shirt. You bring this back. Now what I do is I also do one collar on this side, one collar on the other side. Put your board on top. Fold it up. Now this is just something I store duct tape because you never know. You never know when you're going to duct tape or need duct tape. And there you go. I can get 8, 9, 10 shirts in this. Okay, that's one. Second thing I'm going to say, and you heard this in one of my other videos, is this. First of all, get this. I didn't mean to show you this, but these come per shoe. Let me show you. Okay. So here you go. I got my tennis shoes in these. I'm getting ready to switch for my drive back tomorrow. This fits on the outside of my shoes, so if your shoes are dirty, you can fit them in there. And not just that, but if you have other stuff like, I don't know, let's say I have my camera needs to go with me, so I put that in there. Normally it's my shaver. I didn't want to walk to the bathroom, but I fit all that stuff in there so it conserves the space. But that's the outside part. This is what I want to tell you to bring every time. Shower shoes. Take some shower shoes. I don't care what kind of flip-flops you have. Do not step in the shower and do not step. I'm lucky here in that I don't have carpet, but do not step on carpet in a hotel unless it's the first day they open. It is absolutely disgusting. I sat on the edge of my bed once and I sit there and I cross my legs. I looked at the bottom of my sock. I had on white socks and I was like, oh, hell. That must have been 25 years ago. Okay, so that's 2, shower shoes. 3 is this bag right here. I'm not gonna open it. It's dirty clothes, but it's waterproof. So if you're going someplace, it doesn't matter. You're going whitewater rafting or you're going to the beach, you want your stuff to stay dry, put it in here. But I use this for my dirty clothes. The brand is PFG, and you can see I've had this for a while. But if you push it, all the air will come out. So I actually sit on it and then I roll up this piece, click it together, fits in my luggage good. So that's the third one. Okay, everybody knows about 3 things I have on all of my trips. I have 3 cameras that I travel with, hidden cameras. I'm not gonna show you one of them. You know what the other one is, it plugs into the outlet. But this one right here gives the best video. You can click it, it turns on. It is a battery charger, and it is a damn good battery charger, by the way. Got different ports, it doesn't matter, USB-C, USB-A, B. You can plug them all up in here, and the camera's here. You cannot see it, and it is infrared, and it doesn't show that red glow. So that's important. I'm not saying use this for nefarious reasons, but I'm telling you, you steal something out of my room, you're gonna get busted. I mean, if you get away with it, you deserve it. But if you get caught up, deal with the consequences. But I don't go anywhere without this camera. This you saw me advertising on my channel. I did an infomercial for it. This right here gives me the ability to plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, this one's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5 and 6. I have another one that allows me to plug into 7. I have all the cables in another bag. I just carry these 2 with it, but Do not go anywhere with this. I can charge all my stuff. I even bought a little table a couple of weeks ago that fits my headphones. I got 2-3 headphones I need to charge, a flashlight, speakers. I got all kind of stuff. Bluetooth speakers I need to charge. That's the other thing. This one right here, this is something new that I carry on the past year. A shaker. That's right. Sometimes I don't have time. I'm in the car, like I've been driving. Oh man, I've been driving this week. Got this off the buffet earlier. Snag that fruit if you can. But I take protein powder. I use Kachava. I highly recommend it if you're looking for some sort of protein shake. This is a meal replacement actually. So I only eat 3 meals a day. Sometimes I eat 2. One of them is going to be this right here. It has 25 grams of protein. That's what you need to be concerned with. And only 10 grams of carbohydrates, if I'm not 10 or 20 of carbohydrates. 20. But that's all the carbs I'm going to have for the day on purpose. Okay, so I have that. I have my shaker. And I just have a little cooler that I carry it in. Now, I take a few supplements though. Nitric, I'm into it. So if you're not into it, I get that. But if you want a meal replacement, each meal may cost me, I don't know, $1.50, $2.50, something like that, versus spending $20 for a meal. And this is nutritious. And I know it's low carb. Well, actually, this is the only thing that I'm having with carbs in it. And lastly, but not leastly, this one. This is empty because I'm on my last night right here. So I've gone through, let's see, I left on Monday. So I had 5 or 6 undershirts in here, 5 or 6 underwear. I got 1 underwear left. Yeah, 1 underwear left, 1 t-shirt left, 1 I'm pulled out because I am ready to go for tomorrow. As you see, I'm all ready. But this, I also want to show you. So you put your clothes in, you fold your stuff up. Now, I'm particular about how I fold stuff. This is just regular t-shirt. This is actually folded from when I had it cleaned in Medellin because I don't fold that way. But anyway, I'll fit it inside. But this piece I always want to tell you, I'm not here to show you. These are clean underwear. I'm not here to show you my underwear. But let me show you the brand, Edificio. It's this material. Look it up. Edificio. It is well known for, you can travel the world. I would say have 2. They say you can have 1 pair, but have an extra pair of underwear if you're going to do this. Now I got extra underwear, except I have this one just in case I need to wash something last minute and dry this in a couple of hours. The material is such that it dries real easy. Look, you can almost see through it. But they're real underwear and you're not hot and smuggy. So I put those in here. And the good thing about this is it's saving space. Zip it up. You zip it up. I roll it up. Sometimes if it's a lot in here, I'll sit on it, but you see, lays flat, fits inside your luggage. So there you go. These are my top 7 or 8 items, whatever I showed you. I was going to download some old videos that I did it before, but as you can see, this is what I carry every time because I'm still on the road. I'm still in my hotel. I'm still in the Cambria, and it's been a damn good day. I swear to goodness, I got rejected 7, 8, 9 times, blew off. Guys, I don't take it personal. They don't know me, so how can I take it personal? This is why I normally always have a girl, because I'm not shy. I'm not afraid of rejection. They say no, say, okay. They don't know me. Why take it personal? So I'll move on to the next one. So, and that's why, but I'm still single right now. And I wish I wasn't right now, because I texted my mom and I had to hold off on telling my boss, I just closed one of the biggest deals in my career at this company after almost 15 years. I just closed one of the biggest deals. I can't say who it is right now, but you've heard this name. Largest deal that I have closed. So all this rejection I've been dealing with all day long, because it's been a day and a half of straight up blow off. I ain't got time to get these one. This is what makes it so special. So when I do find that right woman, it's going to be special because I got so many no's, and I'm picky too. So I mean, if it ain't right, it ain't right. You can't push a rope. Remember that. You can't push a rope. It's got to be perfect. It's got to make sense. Anyway, remember to travel and pack right, but travel safe.
So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you go down and hit subscribe definitely like. It helps that YouTube algorithm. You know what I'm talking about? See what I'm saying?
So hey girl, thanks for coming by my place.
No worries. You mind if our girlfriend can come by with us?
Hell no. This why I watch DC Rob.
Kini-excited, dili na mag-online. Kung sabay dugayan, chika babes kay nasulan. Idol ipadulan, ako ang padulan. Para may lumluman, dili-dili na tuluman. Hoy, shock pa, makalok-kaloka. Si Buona sexy, lawas murag Coca-Cola. Ang kaanyag ni mo sa akong kalibutan nga saag. Wala ko ikatubag, ikaw ra kong matawag. Murag kagabun sa kabugnaw sa taas. Sa imong paghawas, lawas ni mo labas. Sinut walay gas-gas, ako amo baspas.
If you're in Medellin and you need dental work done, from a basic cleaning to major reconstructive surgery, come see my guy, Dr. Carlos Maury. Contact information in the description below. Headed to Medellin, Colombia? See my guy Andres with Nomad Travel for safe airport pickups and drop-offs and tours. Contact information in the description below.